what are the three sectors of Indian economy? There are three sectors of Indian economy: primary sector, secondary sector, and service sector. Primary sector, it is known as agriculture or allied service sector. Secondary sector is also known as manufacturing or industrial sector. Service sector, it is also known as tertiary sector. In primary sector, we produce goods and services by exploiting natural resources. For example, soil or land is a natural resource, but when our farmers grow crops and produce food grains, it is the activity of primary sector. Secondary sector, this sector transfer or convert goods into another goods, one goods into another goods by creating more utilities from it. For example, when we produce textiles from cotton and when we produce sugar from sugarcane, it is the activity under the secondary sector. Tertiary sector, this sector provides useful services to primary and secondary sector for the smooth functioning of their working. There are many services which are required for primary and secondary sectors for their smooth functioning or working, and these all services are provided to primary and secondary sector by the tertiary or service sector. Primary sector is unorganized and uses traditional techniques. Most of Indian farmers use old technology, traditional technology and inputs or out tools for doing farming activities, while secondary and tertiary sectors are under the organized sector and they use better technology and inputs for doing their function. Activities related to agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining and animal husbandry are included in the primary sector. Activities related to manufacturing, small scale units, large firms, big corporates and multinational corporations. These all activities included in the secondary sector. Services related to banking, insurance, trade and communication come under the tertiary sector. Primary sector continues to be the largest employer in most of the developing nations like India, where almost 70% of Indian population are earning their living from the farming activity, while secondary sector has failed to provide employment to the surplus workers of the primary sector, and tertiary sector sharing in employment is increasing rapidly. These are the main differences between primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Next we discuss about economic activities and non-economic activities. By economic activities, we mean all those activities which contribute its share in Indian economy and Indian GDP. We call these activities as economic activities. We divide economic activities into two categories: market activities and non-market activities. Market activities, when we produce goods for market purpose or sale purpose, we call it market activities. Non-market activities, when we produce goods or services not for sale, not for market, we produce goods and services for our self-consumption and uses. We call these activities as non-market activities. Clear? Next, we discuss about the labor division between men and women, or why women were forced to do work under low wages or less wages. We divide or we follow gender discrimination among the Indian society. We make labor divisions for men and women. For women, we divide their work only for look after household activities and look care of children. We denied women to get higher education. Due to low education and low skill formation, most women work in less job security areas and forced to do work under low wages. These are three topics which we discussed. If you have any doubts related to these three topics, then you ask me.